Hi, so today we are going to Hexmesh this part. As you can see that uh, this part has a symmetry, it's symmetrical about this plane and this plane. So we are going to mesh this only 1/4 of this solid and then we will reflect this. So first thing first is like I've checked the distance of this is 9.53 and power minus 3. That means uh, there is scale down model. So we need to scale it. So go to scale, go to solids, and I'm going to scale it back by 1000. Just put 1000 here and press scale. So once this has scaled up, now there is one more problem here is uh, the solids are not associated like it is a separated solid even though they share common faces, but there are two even though they seems like it is a they share common surfaces, but it is not so. So what I'm going to do is using the Boolean operation I'm going to make sure that to make it a they use the common interface. So I will do this, and instead of merge solid I don't want to merge solid, I want to make it in a sim to make the solids to use the common surfaces so they get connected among each other. So my mesh will be again connected. So I'm combining the solids, but I'm uncheck this merge option. So it is taking some time. Yeah. So I will show you. Uh, what I have done is like it's solid. Now if you show adjacent here, if you go to select adjacent here, this solids adjacent solid will select. Okay, now I will just separate out what is needed for me. Okay, and I will hide the other parts. Now this is the only this is the solids I'm going to hex mesh it. Okay, yeah. So first thing first is like I will do some batch meshing operations here. Okay, this part I need to uh, okay, let it be. We will see this later. Okay, so now this I have generated some 2D meshes. Now I will again separate this solid. Okay, now we'll basically go to hex mesh and I will use this surfaces, and now I will use this target, and guides I need to select just select the guides. So you can see that it is trying to generate the hex mesh. Let's see. Okay, so my hex mesh is generated. Okay, now uh, let's gen let's okay, so let's display all other solids. Okay, and now hide the unnecessary solids which I don't need it. These are the solids I don't need it. Okay, so these are the solids I don't need it. I'm going to again hide this also. Okay, and now I will save this view. Okay, now this again, this face and this face I can do it. So again going to hex option, going to target this target, this one and this one, and again I am going to select the right side, this one. So let's add do the meshing of this. Okay, something at that time. So I will do it individually one by one because these are two different solids, so there might be some issue. Okay, now this solid already. Or instead of that, what I will do is I will use the mappable option. So I will simply map this solid. Okay, it is not mappable. So what I will do is I will simply suppress this edges. Suppress. Okay. Now I will simply it becomes mappable now. Here. Match it. Okay. There is some issue with the mapping. Okay, let it be. So simply I will mesh this one. Okay. So I have generated this 2D mesh, and now I will simply use this 2D mesh to fill this X. Okay. Sorry. So target will be this one, and my guys will be this one, and this one. Killings. So this way, this Hex mesh has been generated. Now the remaining portion we will do it. Now using mappable option, let's see we can. So it is giving me some problem. Okay. I'm manually selecting this. Let's see. No. So I'm not able to use this due to some reasons. Need to investigate it. So we can continue use our mapping options uh, to map this surface. Firstly, but before that we need to separate this solid. So this one, that simply press this surface, this one, press this, and review, split it. Okay, now I think this part I can easily make the use of mapping operation. And other parts I need to join via this mesh. Okay, firstly I need to see the node count. There are 34 nodes here, and there are 41 nodes here. So I need to redo this. Okay, go to map, this one I can select it, and I can simply make it 35 and click on this. Okay, now I can simply use this option to see, or I need to extract the faces to find out. So how many elements are there? 175 elements are there. Okay, so let it go via this, and this method is quite complicated uh, to go from two sides. Let us go from this side only. Okay, yeah, so go to map option. Okay, mapping is failed. Okay, so I will simply do this thing. In this way I need to put it 18 here. In this way I need to put 33 here. Okay, there are some opposing trials. I can fix this opposing trial also. Okay, now I can simply use this again, use this one to map uh, this face. Okay, guides I can choose this one and this one. Guides I can choose this one and this one. Let's go. Okay, there is some issue here. Yeah, so two layers I have put it here. Now in the similar manner we try to do this now. Let's see we can able to do this. This way we can't able to select, but sorry. Go to here, this way and this way I can select, and simply I will do here it's 2. Okay, now I will simply click on this. So this way the mesh has been generated, and now I will see the connectivity. Firstly, I will uh, delete the 2D elements. Okay. Now 3D elements I will investigate. So let me make it as a one component here. Okay. Now I will simply go to Shift F3, equivalence, select all the elements, review, and equivalence this one. Okay. Now your solid has been connected everywhere. Okay. Now what you need to do is we also need to mirror it. So go to mirror, select all the elements. Plane I can select this one. Okay, I put plane here. Keep original, mirror it. Okay. Again in the same way I need to do the equivalence of this. Review, equivalent this one. Okay. Now again you need to mirror this one. So again go to select all the elements, go to plane, select appropriate plane. This is my appropriate plane. So we will mirror this along this plane. It is perfectly set to the same position. Now I will mirror this one. So I have successfully mirrored it, and now I will simply go to equivalence option, review, equivalence this mouse. So this way uh, my meshing has been completed here. Thank you.